You are someone want to provide or providing services such as website design, development, SEO, copywriting, etc., and are facing issues getting started or scaling it, then this video is for you. Watch this whole video and you will get an idea of how you can start or scale your business from scratch. Now, you must be thinking, why you should listen to me when there are all these gurus teaching you how to do stuff for free or paid? So, I'll give you an overview of how I worked. So, since 2021, I have worked on multiple website design projects as a freelancer, but I was learning at the time, and since 1st of June 2023, I have been in freelancing like full time, and I have generated over 3 lakhs in the first 3 months of my business, that too without any social media or paid advertising. This should be enough of overview for starting our video. So let's get started. These are all the things that you will need in order to have your own business or a freelancing journey of yours, and these are the points that we will cover in this video as well. So first, what is freelancing? Freelancing, all the definitions and things apart, freelancing is something that a single person or individual helps a company or individual to get their work done, whether it be anything like website designs, development, or let's say outsourcing with the accounting thing, or anything that you can imagine which can be outsourced to an individual or a person is something we can call a freelancing at the end of the day. That's it. It can be either for project to project basis, or for a particular project or needs that the company or individual might have. So that solely depends on what the client needs and not what you want. For those who have never heard of freelancing and are, we will assume, new to it, I will conclude this for you in one line, that freelancing is something when an individual or a person provides services to an individual or a company or anyone that needs that services out of their team and just work for them when needed. That's it. There's nothing complicated to it anymore. Now we can move ahead, and these are the benefits of freelancing: the flexibility, diverse opportunity, control, skill development, income potential, networking, creativity, and entrepreneurship. Now these are not like from the day one. You will need to work harder and make things possible for you. Like, you can only be flexible if you have enough flow of leads and sales coming in. Then only you can decide when you have to work and with whom you need to work. So those are some cases which you will need to fulfill in order to have these benefits for yourself. But if you follow all the advices and do the work properly, then I can assure you that you will be able to fulfill these things as well. The diverse opportunity is something true, like you will get to work with different kinds of people and industries, and that will give you a better example or a better experience for the future as well. The skill development might be true because you will need to learn a lot of different skill as a freelancer, from marketing to sales and all the skills related to fulfillment and management as well. So best of luck for that, and I'll also try to teach all those things in this channel. And income potential is something that is solely based on how you approach this. If you are doing it full time, then it's on you to maintain the income potential monthly or yearly as per your requirements and the work you put in your business. So that too, networking is very essential to bring new business and to help you grow as a freelancer or as an agency owner in future, if you want to make a transition from freelancer to agency owner, if you have any plans of that. Creativity is something that you will have when you work, and entrepreneurship is something you will need for it anyway. So that's it for the freelancing and benefits of freelancing. Now let's dive deeper into each one of the topics overview, and let's see what you need in order to start your own business and run it successfully. The first thing you will need in order to start is identifying your skills and the niche. Now, identifying your skills does not mean that you will only have to offer one skill. You can do graphic designs, web designs, all social media management, and consultancy. But don't hop into all the services at once and try to be an 360 agency at the start. Or pick 2 to 4 services and try to provide them and get results for your first clients in order to scale your business further. And niching down is something I won't recommend in starting. While you are figuring out the services and the industries yourself, try to get the clients from every industries if you want, but niching down will only help if you know what you're offering and whom you need to help, and that will help you increase your business faster than you think. So researching the market is one of the most important steps while getting started. These are the few things that you can do in order to research your market. Understand the demand. First, you look at what you're offering and the demand and the competition in your niche or the industry that you are working in. Or if you are not in the niche, then the things that you are offering, such as designs, development, SEO, or whatever it is. Then identify your targeted audience. So once you've worked with few clients, you will get to know that what kind of industry you need to work in and what is the service that you want to offer them. So you will be able to figure out that what problems they need solving when you work in real life with them. So once you figure that out, that will help you get even further. And setting up your rates, pricing strategies, and market research, those are the things that you will need to do before getting started. And please don't take months or like weeks in it. You can do it in 2 to 3 days just to get started. Once you get started, you will have a lot of time to learn, improve, and do other things. But you need to get started first in order to do those things. Don't just keep learning for months or years and don't take action. Don't do that. Okay. So the third thing is create a business plan. Now, this does not mean that you will again spend months or weeks in creating a business plan. You can define short and long term goals, outline the servicing and the pricing from the market research section that you have been doing for last few days. Clearly outline those things and how you will price them. There will be a next video, or after next few videos I will get these things for you as well in detail on how you can do each one of the steps and break down into those things, like how you can do each one of those steps and the sub steps as well, so it will help you get ahead of these things. Budget is estimated your startup cost and ongoing expenses. For freelancers, I won't actually recommend doing these things. Just get a domain for yourself and a hosting plan. That's it. And then you can start your work for yourself without having any expenses. Now, if you are a designer or like video editor, you might think what, like, I have to get Premiere Pro or etc. If you are a designer, you can use Figma, and you are a video editor, you can go with DaVinci Resolve. And if you are a short content agency or a freelancer, then you can go with CapCut or something that will help you get things done faster. And if you want to go more advanced in things, then you can use DaVinci anyways. Now that will be enough for creating your business plan. Now, setting up your business, you can select a name that reflects your brand or use your own name if you are doing it as a personal brand. That will help you grow even faster. Then if you are in a location which needs you to register your business, then you should do it. It will help you gain more trust, and legally comply with government will help you grow ahead without any issues as well. Opening a bank account can be a good thing for you if you are looking to do it full time or generating a high income and switching from your 9 to 5 job or anything you are doing right now. And it will help you with accounting and taxation as well. Creating an online presence. Now, this is something I did after a few months of starting freelancing, and it might help better than every one of you thinks, because this is the most crucial step while doing freelancing. It will help you get more clients, build authority, trust, and just it will make everything a lot easier. So first thing you will do is build an online portfolio. Do the work either for client or dummy work, whatever it's your skill, and show it to people around the world with help of portfolio, and spread it to everyone with the help of social media. Freelancing platforms are something I don't recommend much, but if you are into it, then you can just create a gig in it and find work if you can. While getting started, these things are okay, but once you have a nice client base and getting freelancing clients around the world or from your area, I will recommend that you stop it and focus on the value you provide to your clients and get better clients for yourself. This might be enough overview of this point. We'll cover how you can build your portfolio and how you can build a strong online presence on your social media profiles in order to get more clients in next few videos as well. So let's get to the next point, which is network and market yourself. So networking is something that will get you a lot of clients and leads. Now that doesn't mean it should be online. It can be offline and online both. Both will help you get a personal touch to your clients and your potential clients which can buy your services in future. So you can join groups, events, and connect with potential clients and other freelancer providing different services from yours. For example, if you are providing web design services, then connect with someone who is providing only graphic services and want to improve their revenue and things and not lose the website clients that they're getting. So those are few things that you can do. We will make a complete detailed video on this topic too. Content marketing is something you can start, but do not make a mistake of doing everything at once. If you are doing content marketing, then do it in a way that do not burn you out and help you stay on track and get more clients slowly. So we'll make a detailed video on how you can do content marketing as well. You can start a blog, create videos, or share valuable content on social media. Now these things might be in cover very broad topic, but we will make a detailed video. I'll make a detailed video on how you can do it for yourself and how you can start and how you can approach these things so that it don't burn you out as an freelancer because you don't have team in order to handle all these things. Email marketing is something you can do while you build your social media presence. Build an email list of the potential client as well, which will help you stay connected with them and build a nice relationship with them. Acquiring clients, after doing all these things, creating online presence, network and marketing yourself, acquiring clients is something that you will need to do in order to sustain your business in the in the long run. Now these are the few things that you can do: proposals and pitches, and the sales call that you take, and how you approach the helping part of the client, like how do you help them in the best way possible for their interests and your interest as well. And once you have few clients, you can start asking for referrals from the satisfied clients and gain testimonials from them as you grow and get new clients. Now, managing your business. This is the main part that freelancer struggles in. They use all kinds of tools and everything, but they don't know how to exactly do it. So these are the few topics that you can cover in order to like manage your business properly. Number one is invoicing and payments. That's like a CMR for you. You can use these tools like QuickBooks, Bloom.io, etc. I personally use Bloom for my agency now, and it is doing pretty well because it has automations, workspace, and all those things, and it's quite nice. I'll get a video on how you can do these things for paid version and free as well for some of you who are just getting started. Contracts, I do contracts from Bloom itself, but you can use other services as well. Time management, I use the app called Toggle or something, which helps manage time and track the work that I do. uh, The project management thing I do in Notion, and the content management as well. So I'll share those things with you as well. Now, the important points that you need to know when you are getting started or scaling your business is skill development is very necessary, because if you know something today, you will need to add few skills in it in order to raise your prices and the standards of client that you work with. So work on it and ask feedback from clients. Even if the work was bad or the work was very good and they were satisfied, ask for a feedback on what you can improve, either from your pre-sale or your sale or onboarding or fulfillment or post publishing things. Just ask them that what we can improve in order to give you a better experience, and they will tell you. So just work on all the things when clients tell you. Don't ignore those feedbacks, else it will just not help your business in the long run. Building quality relationship is something I focus much on, but that doesn't mean that you will burn yourself out and do the work when it's not necessary. This might be enough for important points. There are a lot, but we'll cover them in next few videos. Conclusion and actionable tips. So these are the things I want you to remember while doing your business or starting your freelancing journey, which will help you go further ahead. So don't try to do everything together. Like, start from somewhere and learn everything slowly as you go and grow your business and yourself in knowledge, revenue, and all the other things as well. If you want more such things and you want to grow your freelancing business, you can subscribe this channel, and I'll be uploading videos related to freelancing, websites, marketing, sales, etc. And it might help you grow as well. There will be a checklist in the description box. It will be a complete checklist for the freelancing guide. Will I'll add all the videos and everything that I do in that checklist, and you might get the link of the freelancing course in that checklist as well in near future. So we will end this video with a quote: start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Don't try to make things more complicated than they are. Just follow these things. Like, wherever you are, just start it. You don't need to be anywhere else. Use whatever you have. Either you have a simple computer or a laptop, whatever it is, just start with it, and as you grow you can get things whenever you want, and do whatever you can. And when you do those things, you can learn and you can grow ahead, and it will help you more than not doing anything.